Hey everyone, Ron from Taylor Racing, and I'm giving you this video from the office in the field on the rig. That's right. It's been one of those kind of weeks. It's been absolutely shit, to be honest with you. Pardon my French. But yeah, the week started out with with getting the credit card compromised down here in Texas, and the new one will be another week or 10 days or 2 weeks, but going to my address in Canada. So then I have to get that shipped down here. So I'm a couple of weeks, 3 weeks without a credit card, which is always fun, right? Yeah. Secondly, we got scammed for $2,000 or so on some Öhlins parts from a Facebook scammer in a private Ducati group, which is always pisses you off, you know, like you're just trying to build bikes and do the cool things and stuff like that, and then you get some shitbird, you know, scam you for a couple grand. And you know, I'm usually pretty good catching these scammers, but yeah, it was just not a good thing. And then it was my brother's birthday, which was always tough because it's his first one without it was my first one without him here. And then the piece de resistance, the icing on the cake this week was we blew the motor in the Raptor, and I got a quote for $18,000 for repairs. Needless to say, I do not think we're going to be repairing it anytime soon, which gives me an option, or which brings you guys into the picture. What do you think we should do? You know, obviously I'd love to rebuild it, but 18,000 US will, you know, and of course the shop will be like, oh, we needed this and this and this, and it'll be 18, 20, 22,000 US dollars. Putting into a truck that has 182,000 miles or 300,000 kilometers on it. As much as I love that truck, is it worth it? Now, if I spend twice as much, or whoever knows how much, and do a 5.0 Coyote swap on it, which would be super Gucci cool, that's some big money. Or the ultimate 1,000 horsepower Godzilla 7.3, you know, update or modifications, that'd be super cool too. But then we're talking pricing. So if you guys know guys or a place that can do that, or you know, just want to do it for me for free, that'd be perfect. But I don't think that's going to happen. So needless to say, it looks like I need a truck. So do I buy just a cheap beater truck? Do I buy another Raptor, which are like $100K, which is crazy. I just can't justify that, right? $100K US, I think, right, is what they're going for, or close to 90 some thousand US. Nuts, right? Do I buy a used Raptor? And if I do I get like an old school 6.2 liter, like the original Rally Raptor we had, which I'd love to get, but even those are 30, 40 grand, 25 grand Canadian US. So what do I do? What do you guys think? Comment below. Or do I buy a diesel, right? Do I buy a diesel truck and so I can tow trailers and bikes and all that kind of fun stuff as usual? Yeah, let me know. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think. All right. Okay, that's it. That's my venting. That's my week. That's my update for you guys. And I wish I had better news and some super cool stuff and some background with some bikes and stuff, but I'm stuck in the desert right now on a rig, and yeah, this is how my week has gone. So like, share, subscribe, and of course, see you next week, everyone. Cheers.